Welcome to Campfire Meals. I'm Michael Hammer. You know what I love about this country? We got the wide open spaces and the freedom to enjoy them. So to celebrate these freedoms, are you going to serve your friends some pre-packaged chub of mystery meat? No! So this Campfire Classic, we're going to do hamburgers, Hammer style. Okay, one of our favorite sayings is camping is not all about burgers and beans. However, we're going to do a proper burger. It's 4th of July. Let's talk meat. Let's talk patties. First, you can grind your own at home. We'll show you how to do this. In the meantime, my buddies over at Whole Foods Market in Bend have ground me some themselves. 100% chuck, straight from the loin. Do not buy that stuff in a chub from a conventional store. You don't know where the parts are. It's all trimmed from around the world. They do all kinds of chemically stuff from it. Don't eat that. So what we're looking for is, my preference, 20 to 25% fat. You can go a little leaner if you like. I don't recommend it. You want it nice and moist. Here's how you work it. You've got this, and it's already kind of mushed together. You want to flake it apart, okay? You're going to treat this as if you were doing meatloaf. The reason why you're doing this is that you're not stretching your proteins. You stretch your proteins, that's going to dry out the meat. Ideally, what you're looking for is 1/3 of a pound patty, 5-6 ounces, okay? The reason why you do that is that A, you want a smaller bun, B, you don't want the patty to overwhelm the garnish, and vice versa. The garnish needs to speak for itself, the patty needs to speak for itself. So, let's grab, say, almost a double golf ball, and here's how you do it. Squish. Go around, see your thumbs, go around, square it off, flattened. There's one. Now, here's the deal. When you do your patties, you never ever season the inside. Do not put salt in the interior of your meat. What that's going to do, again, is dry it out. Don't dry out your burger. Here's one slight exception. This one, we're going to season the interior, but not with salt. I've got my 2 patties worth. We're going to take those in half. So you've got 1/6 of a pound, again, golf ball size, golf ball size. Do it thin. Put a little indentation right in there. Little indentation right in there. Now, Roquefort. Nice little stinky blue cheese, nicely inoculated. Do that on the other one. Press these together. You don't want your Roquefort or your blue cheese on the outside. It's just gonna goo out, not gonna work. This is gonna be a little hammerlicious goodness. There's your patties. Little pat of butter, just for grins. That's not hot. Go liberally, crack some black. Toss it on. Now, we have a little secret here. Because these are really thick, good stuff, take your thumb, press a nice little indentation in the center of the patty. That way it's gonna cook all the way through, evenly. You're not gonna have raw, you're still gonna get medium rare to medium.
And now go back, go back.
Now, you see how this is getting opaque up in here, and see how it's getting up there? We're getting ready to turn, okay? Let's take a peek. Have you noticed that I haven't turned this at all? We do not flip them more than once. There's a reason why we do this. Juicy. Gotta have a juicy burger. Never press down on the burger. Never, ever, ever press down on the burger unless you want to burn it.
Happy Independence Day. I'm Marshall here from Campfire Meals. Hey, in this episode we're watching Hammer flipping some amazing burgers on the griddle. Sometimes when I'm around the campfire I'm flipping my fish and I hate it when I drop it in the fire. So you will find at campfiremeals.tv a fish-shaped spatula, and that's just one of the many great cooking camping products that you'll find there. And to celebrate this great Independence Day for this entire month, Everything on the website is 20% off. So be sure to check it out at campfiremills.tv and have a happy, safe 4th of July.
Flip, check it, yes. A little caramelization there. Again, beauty. Of course you understand that your heat is always going to vary on your griddle. Also on your grill if you choose to do that. Just move them around as you have to. Do not move them around too much. All right, now we're going to address our cheese conundrum. Now, we've already got our blue cheese in these. We're not going to dress these any longer. As soon as you flip them over, put your harder cheeses on top of the burger. Applewood smoked cheddar rocks. A little bit more. Now, my favorite burger. This is a roasted poblano. We've seen this in an earlier tip. Slide it on there. Pepper jack cheese. Hang on. Oh yeah, right on there. As I eat. This is a pancetta. Since the cheese is already smoked, we're gonna do an unsmoked bacon. You can see there's about to pull off. Now, for the kids, American cheese. This is actually a pasteurized processed cheese food, yet organic. Now, we're ready to just about pull them off. Burger's done. Burger's done. You see that little flame back there? Burger's done. These are going to continue to melt a little bit. You're using a good quality beef, means good quality fat. And hey, 4th of July, who doesn't want that? Now, let's dress it up, shall we?
I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy, a Yankee Doodle do or die. A real live nephew of my Uncle Sam's, born on the 4th of July. Good boy, kid, I've got a Yankee Doodle sweetheart. She's my Yankee Doodle joy. Yankee Doodle came to London just to ride the ponies. I am the Yankee Doodle boy.